story is long. We have been given the assignment to oversee, give them confidence. Then, of course, headhunt good people. What happened to us was a great blow. We didn't expect it. But when something like this happens, what do? You take it as it is and we solve the problem. I know before you ask me about what has been going in the media space, some matters are in court, like today we're in court too. The judge said because they've appealed to the appeal court, they will do nothing. But in compliance of the Supreme Court judgment, the party inaugurated us. I'm sure you're aware of that. That's why we're doing what we're doing. And then I'm sure you have also heard of somebody dissolving ESCOs and appointing. For avoidance of doubt, the chairman in Bayelsa is Honorable Solomon Agwana. The chairman in Edo is Dr. Tony Azibeme. All these were things we have earlier approved here by NEC. It's only Delta that we don't have a chairman now. We're only going to oversee it and then recommend the caretaker committee. So, any question?
What about the leaders?
Yes. Rivers is promising Ewoh. But you know what is going on.